Fill neighboring elements in NumPy array. Not sure what's the best way to title this question, but basically I would like to fill an existing NumPy array with a value, based on the location provided and a specified distance. Assuming going diagonally is not valid. For example, let's say we have an array with just zeros. If I want 2, 2, as the location with distance 1, it would fill the matrix with value 1, in the location that has distance 1 from the location provided, including itself. Thus the matrix would look like. And if I provided a distance of 2, it would look like. Basically everything within a distance of 2 from the location will be filled with the value 1. Assuming diagonal movement is not valid. I also would like to support wrapping, where if the neighboring elements are out of bounds, it will wrap around. For example, if the location provided is 4, 4, with distance 1, the matrix should look like so. I tried using np.ogrid along with a mask of where the ones will be true but can't seem to get it working.
What you are trying to do is essentially binary dilation, but the wrapping poses a problem. Luckily, Sippy's gray dilation function has the wrap mode which we can leverage. And as a function that creates your array for you. Examples, to reproduce your desired inputs and outputs.
Returns.
This may not be the most efficient solution, but you could try iterating through all the elements in the array, check if their distance to the location provided is what you want it to be, and if it is, replace that element's value with the value specified. Basic code structure. The distance setter point function would be something like this.
Is